Hey everyone, it's Micah and David sitting here at Two Rivers Fishing Company in Pinedale, Wyoming. We're really stoked to show you guys a brand new rod from Sage. We'll do an unboxing and share a little bit about our first impressions of it.
Sage just shipped us the new R8 core. This is going to be replacing the X. This is their new multi-application rod coming in weight sizes 3 through 9 at multiple different lengths, allowing you to fish really whatever you want to fish. Supposedly it's really light. I'm really excited to get my hands on this rod. The X is one of my favorites. I have the old blue one, if you guys remember that.
All right, let's take a look.
Say that.
This rod is really, really light.
Feels like nothing. I mean, that's not true. The R8 that is so light.
This is a 6-weight that feels like a really light 5-weight.
It does feel top heavy, barely feels top heavy, but I think that is because Sage knows what they're doing, the appropriate on that, and it's going to bounce immediately. Everything about it is performance based. Really good recovery. Thank you. I remember when the H2 and H3, when they started talking about recovery, they pointed that out, and they really wanted accuracy. That was kind of the idea. I mean, rods were accurate before, but Orvis had that idea to call it out. I think this rod is going to do that.
Every year, rods get better and better at recovery, which in turn makes for a more accurate rod.
And I think at the moment, cream of the crop. But yeah, just giving it the old fly shot wiggle. I think I'm already excited. We need to cast it.
Feels exactly like you would imagine a brand new rod from Sage, ground up build from Sage would feel.
Yeah, it's not, and it's a brand new rod. Just feeling like here, not to get overhype on it, right? But to just say that this is nothing like Sage has really had yet. I mean,
no,
it's the X is close.
It feels different. It just feels different in a good way.
You've got to go cast this thing to actually understand what you're doing, right? But overall, I'm impressed. I want 4 of them immediately.
Well, let's head outside and take this thing for a spin and see how it casts.
Let the Ferrari rumble, right?
Well, I'd say after the first test drive, it's a pretty sweet stick. It definitely lives up to Sage's good name when it comes to high quality rods. Super lightweight, incredibly accurate, and just smooth. Really, really, really smooth.
Yeah, definitely a high performance rod. Not slow action. It's not the fastest action either, which I enjoy. I like that you're still multi-application, like it says. It can still drop bombs, but it can also cast 15, 20 feet accurately, which some of Sage's other rods can't necessarily do.
Changing pace with this rod too, going from really short to really fast. It was pretty breezy out when we were testing it, so being able to pick up the speed really easily was very nice. This rod does pretty much all of it well. Doing a little bit of playing around with the roll cast in the creek, really, really smooth. Good for line pickup at distance as well.
Back on Sage's lineup over the years, coming to their 8th generation of technology here. They knocked it out of the park again. I can't really get away from that high performance. That's kind of what's sticking in my head when I'm looking back on this rod. I mean, this is going to be the core of your lineup for sure. The new R8 core from Sage launches April 5th. Swing by the shop, take it for a test drive, give it some gas, cast it, see what the performance is all about, see why we're stoked about this rod. Our shop opens officially April 1st. We're excited for the upcoming season. If you want to book a trip with us, go ahead and give us a call. We're booking all summer. We're excited. The hatches are going to look good this year. Check out our newsletter. We're dropping knowledge every week about fishing in our area, trips coming up. Just getting the excitement about the season in your inbox. Give us a follow on any social media. We're excited to put some more content like this out, more videos, more pictures, and hopefully big fish. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video with me and Micah here. Subscribe and hopefully see you out on the river. Get the pictures of Micah with the hype.